Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sabi Queen Kitchen. Yes, so it's beautiful cake from Sabi Queen Kitchen. Yes, so it's a art cake for my mama. Happy birthday, my super duper gorgeous mama. I wish you all the best. I wish you long life and prosperity. Yes, so cake baked by Sabi Queen herself. Happy birthday, Mama Pila. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, beautiful Mama.